Good evening once more. So this is reviewing the product nichemarketingkit.com. It's not really a business opportunity. It is you've got a business and it's all the sort of tools that you would need to market your product. So it's a massive discount on this one. It's a once a lifetime opportunity. Still don't really know what it's about, but maybe they're doing it that way for us using the red biggest best ever. But the video will explain all about it. And they use colouring to certain words biggest, best, and fraction of the cost. So let us take a watch and listen. We'll come back in a few minutes.
This is your chance to grab the biggest and best internet marketing complete toolkit package for a fraction of the cost.
Basically, what we've done here is devised a complete niche package of internet marketing products that have personally helped us to succeed this year. This is not some random package of products that may or may not help you succeed online. All of these products have played a big part in our own success this year, so we wanted to share them all with you.
We've only taken the very best products from the most important and essential niches that will assure your online success. All of these products have been compiled specifically to help you succeed online in the simplest and fastest way possible. We have separated all of these super high quality products into the most important and essential niche categories needed to ensure your online success, such as website traffic, video marketing, affiliate marketing, list building, social media, and essential internet marketing. With all of these super high quality products covering all of these very important and essential niches, you'll never have to worry about what products you need in order to succeed online.
So it's very clear what they're offering. A lot of tools to help you succeed. And John Thornhill, it's another product by him. And he's always partnering with someone else, perhaps of different areas which they expertise in. I'd imagine why they do that. He's a legendary marketer, I think. One of the other products, he's been around 30 years. I don't know as long as that, really since the inception of the internet, really, which would be a lot different as today. Of course, for promoting and advertising. And this is their stats. I think it's just the way they do things. The sales pages are quite a lot, but just listen to what they have to say, and then here's the bonuses in top of what they're offering. So there's quite a lot there. So that's what I would look at rather than testimonials and different things. But here's the course, and it's going into it, and it's quite a lot that you're getting. You can look at yourself and what's involved, and there's I could read it out, but I tend not to. So you can just look at that for yourself, and it's worth quite a lot of money if you to pay for that. Well, they're saying over $10,000. So let's see how much, and then there's bonus products and all that sort of thing. So we'll go to buy now. It's only $47, and that's a one-off payment. So you just go to buy now. And that's it. So, and then you can add more add-ons as well. So, yeah, I would highly recommend getting this product. But then, what about having an online business? What would I promote? Well, in the description, it'll be the best business you'll ever find. And please take a look at it. I'd love to see you there. Bye bye for now.